BOREA has invented and designed a new shade-taking connected system. Developed around the replica, it allows all dentists to benefit from a user-friendly and a plug-and-play device. In a single shade-taking acquisition, the device delivers all the tooth shades information necessary to an aesthetic integration of the ordered prosthesis. Replicker is a compact and auto-calibrated device. It has a sterilizable mouthpiece helping for good positioning on the patient. The touchscreen allows dentists to visualize the two shades and the different mappings. Polarized picture, overall shade, 3 parts, 9 parts, detailed shade mapping and tooth translucency. The device had a patent optical measuring head and an ergonomic shape to easily scan all teeth without any influences from the external environment. Once the spectral analysis is achieved, the data collected with the device are sent directly to the replica software, like the contextual picture took with the mobile application. Thus, you can easily complete a patient folder and send or print the dental prosthesis order form. To send the order form, it's really easy. The laboratory, also equipped with the software, receives instantly, via the cloud, all the necessary information to realize a prosthesis in compliance with the order. Dental surgeon can follow up in real time the order process thanks to the software. Integrate shade taking into a quality process and obtain an optimized result with Replica. This solution objectives and facilitates the management and the communication of data between dentists and laboratories.